Hello and welcome to another video. In this video, I was gonna do a few of these, and if you haven't seen these before, so in LeetCode, there's an interview assessment, and you can basically do like practice assessments for companies, and I think it's actually really good. I've done a few of them, so I just wanted to do some of these in some videos. So I think we're gonna do like this entire Google process thing in a couple different videos. So we'll start with a Google online assessment. So let's take a look. We have 2 questions, an hour to complete them. And once it starts, you can't pause, and yeah, it's done when you submit that thing. Okay. All right, so let's see. So the school's trying to take an annual photo of the students. Students are asked to stand in single file, non-decreasing order. Let this order be represented by the injury expected. Okay. Given injury heights, current order. All right. Okay, so I think this is really easy, right? If I'm missing something. Basically, we just need to return the number of indices where the index doesn't match the number. Is that correct? Number where height I is not expected. Okay. Okay. So expected is just sorted. Okay, yeah, that's fine. So you can do this 2 different ways. You can either just sort the array and compare differences, or you could do like a count. I guess we'll just do sort the array and compare differences. It's gonna be the easier way. So we'll go like expected, sorted heights, and return sum of, and then we can just make something here. So like 1, if, or yeah, well, I guess we'll just go through it actually. So if we don't need to do all this comprehension, that's gonna be a little bit more complicated. I guess we'll just say like for I in range length heights, if expected I does not equal heights I, result plus 1. Return result, right? Okay, and we'll just have result. Okay, let's see. All right, let's submit. Ooh. 1, 3, 4, 5. Let's see. Oh, you're at 1. Whoops. Okay. Your friend is typing a name on a keyboard. Sometimes typing character key might get long pressed, and the character will type more than once. Examine type characters. Return true if it's possible that this was your friend's name, with some characters possibly none being long pressed. Okay. Okay, so yeah, see, so this is long pressed. All right. SAED. I see. Okay, so I think what we do here is for every character, we just need to make sure that I guess what we need to do here is we need to make sure that the type characters have at least the same as this in that order. So we can say like, if in the name there's an S, there must be an S here. And then we can move on to the next one, and so on and so on. So I think we can do like I equals 0, j equals 0, while I is less than length name or something. Okay. So we can basically say like if or while. How do we want to do this? So I guess what we could do is in the name, if we're on a character, we can just check like how many of that character is in a row. So we can essentially keep going until we get a new character. And then in typed, we do the same thing. And then what has to happen is the count in typed has to be bigger or equal to here. So here, for example, like we'll get 1 and 2. The count in typed is bigger, so that's fine. Here we'll get 1 and 2. That's fine so far. But now we get 2 and 1, and that's not fine. So we'll just do that. So essentially, we're just going to go through like streaks. So we'll just go while name I is I guess we can do an and here. And yeah, something like that. And j is less than length typed. Okay, so, and the number of like these streaks has to be the same for this to be working. Okay, so while name I, well actually let's do this. So let's just say the current is going to be 1 for I, so we'll just say like nc or something equals 1, and we'll say while I plus 1 is less than length of the name and name I plus 1 equals name I. Then we will move I up and we'll increment this. Okay, so that should get us to like the last one. And we do the same thing for the typed. So nt j typed. All right. Typed. Okay. Yeah, it's fine. All right. So now we check if nt is less than nc, return false. Okay. So essentially, like we're going through these streaks of character. We're checking that the type has more for each one, and now we have to go to a new character. So we'll just go I plus 1, j plus 1. And so if we were able to get to the end and we're out of bounds on both, then we're good. Yeah, so return I equals length name and j equals length typed. All right, let's see what happens. True. All right, let's just go for it. Oh, okay. Oh, they have to be the same. Yeah, we have to check for that as well. So if typed I or j does not equal name I. Yeah, so they have to, like the streak has to be bigger and they have to be the same character. All right, now let's try it. Okay, nice. Okay, and then we're gonna get a report, and yeah, you can see like, so you could do a bunch of them, and then you get an overview, and then they give you like how you do compared to whatever. And then they give you like how you do in all these categories, which is also nice. I guess I haven't done enough of these. Yeah, so let's go back to actually assessment history maybe. Yes, I did this one. How did this go? 12 minutes. Okay. Yeah, I don't know what the average is. Hard to say that this one's done yet. 7 minutes. Yeah, I think from doing these, like the OA is going to be easier than like a real OA, and then the phone interview is also not so bad, and then the onsite usually has hard questions, so I think the onsite is going to be like the most realistic to an actual onsite, and then these two, I think probably the phone interview is probably realistic as well, but OAs, at least from the OAs I've done, OAs usually have like hard questions. I do think this is going to be a little bit easier. But yeah, regardless, let me know what you think about these things. Yeah, and then we'll see. Okay, we did get a score. So yeah, I guess. And by the way, so for these, they only grade on time. So yeah, time taken, test cases solved. Yeah, so you basically have to solve, like, if you solve all test cases, they only grade on time. So they're not going to test your complexity. So, but we did have like optimal complexity for those as well. But yeah, let me know what you think about these. I think these are quite good compared to like other stuff, because you get random problems, kind of easy practice way. You just get like 3-4 questions. And yeah, we'll do like the on-sites and stuff, and yeah. Okay. Well, it looks like actually these both are easy, so yeah. Okay, but thanks for watching.